Take a ride in the 2014 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, tachometer, brake assist, Uconnect hands-free group, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.